Okay, so today's kind of an exciting day. As you can see, I have a bunch of packages right there. Now you might be wondering, what are those? Well, as you probably read the title, I'm unboxing some Callpoints from the United Kingdom and Australia. If you don't know what a Callpoint is, it's basically the United Kingdom, New Zealand, Australia, I don't know where else, version of a United States fire alarm. If you don't know what a United States fire alarm looks like, because if you're from the UK or something, you've never seen one, this is basically what it looks like. This is a BG12, BG12L. It had the lock on it, as you can see right here. And all it is a simple switch. You just push in and down, and yeah, and you just push in, pull down, and it's activated. I'm sorry that this looks weird. It's just that I'm looking at my monitor and like, my monitor's weird because my camera's at a weird angle. Yeah, so my camera's in a weird angle. So yeah, this might look weird. Well, anyways, let's open our Callpoint. Well, first this, because this, I know what this is. Well, yeah, this is just a power supply. I got a 24 volt DC power supply because yeah, sometimes I like this because I don't have to like strip the end of a cable when I don't want to use my fire alarm panel to test fire alarm. So I just got this with terminals on the end. If it doesn't focus, I'm just gonna put it in manual focus. Yeah, let me put it in manual focus so I can focus properly. Okay, there you can see. So yeah, so it had terminals on the end. So yeah, now let me put it back in normal focus. Hopefully it focuses, because focus is kind of slow on the G7, Lumix G7. Well, anyways, let's open them. I removed them out of the like packages they shipped it, but I haven't opened them yet. So this will be fun. If I remember correctly, I ordered 2 fire alarm versions and 1 emergency exit door release. So yeah. Two of them are like generic brand, and one of them's by Micron. I'm assuming this one's by Micron because it had the most fanciest things. But let's start with this one. So let's open it. Oh, I opened it upside down. Well, oh well. Let's open it. Oh, and I ripped the box open. Okay, so this is it. It's an emergency door release, as you could tell. Let me go behind the camera so it, okay, please focus. Yeah, the camera's really slow when it comes to focusing. Maybe if I zoom out. Okay, there. Yeah, so this is emergency door release. You just press in. I'm not gonna press in right now because I don't have the key. Well, the key's in the back box, so let's zoom back in. Okay. So yeah, in the back box right here, we have some screws and the key. I'm sorry how bad the video looks. It's just that I've never done an unboxing video like this. Well, I've done one before, but like, yeah, it's really weird. So yeah, okay, there. You just press here. Okay, let me just put in the center. Okay, there. Press, and it just turned yellow, and that shows it's activated. And to reset it, you take your key, put it in the bottom, and then you pull down. The top pops open, and then it snaps back closed. And on the back, since this is emergency door release, as it says right here, it has normally open and, normally closed and normally open. Normally open is so that when you press it and you activate, the contacts switch close, and when it's normally open, when it's normally closed, when you press it, the contacts open. Yeah. So we'll put this to the side, and we'll open this one. Also, I cut the tape so I didn't have to struggle with tape. So yeah. So this one's a break glass one. So unlike the other 2, which are resettable, this one's non-resettable because it has glass in it. Hopefully this focuses. If it doesn't, I'm gonna go back to manual focus. Yep, it did not focus. Okay, there. Okay, so as you can see, this has break glass. Well, I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, but this is glass, so I'm not gonna break it yet. I'm gonna break it in this video. Yes, I am. I'm gonna test it and break it, but for now, we'll put it to the side. It comes with a key as well. Let's open the package. So this is the key. It's a bit different. I don't know why, but all Callpoints that I've seen come with a plastic key. I don't know why. And all Callpoints that I've seen are plastic. Well, most fire alarms are plastic, but why can't they make the key at least metal? So you just put your key in here, and well, in here, okay. And then you just press and it activates it. Well, for testing, good luck. Please focus again. Yeah, it's not gonna focus because the G sound. Okay, there. So, okay, so you just press it, put your key in there, and it activates it right there. You put your key in there. There. I'm looking at my monitor because it's kind of hard doing it to see where my framing is. Cause see, right now I'm thinking it's in frame, but not. So that's why I'm looking at the monitor, and that's why it's weird because I can't do it. So yeah, I'm not gonna break the glass yet. So yeah. Now our last one, the Micron, or however you say that brand. Oh wow, this is huge actually. Oh, and the key's actually high quality. Wow. Well, that's what you get when you pay a good price for it. Well, I paid like $15 for it, but still, it's a good price compared to these. This one was like $5, $4. And this one actually feels like quality plastic. Like, look, size difference. They're about the same size. This one looks nicer. Hopefully, I'm hoping it's not addressable because it has an LED light right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Hopefully it's not addressable, because if it's addressable, well, oh crap, I just bought something I can't use. And the key goes in here, like this, right here. I'm not sure how it goes, because I've never used a Callpoint before. Oh, first let's activate it to see if it does anything. I'm not sure how to do this. Maybe if we read the instructions. Yeah. As an American that never seen or used a Callpoint or even activated one, I don't know how to do it. Yeah, this might be adjustable. Oh, that's cool. It pops up. Oh my god, that's actually really cool. Oh, that's how you do it. You put your key in sideways. Oh my gosh, I would not in frame. Look, I'll do it again. You press. This one actually takes quite a lot to press, so I'll press again. Hit. The thing pops, and then you take your key, you put it like this. Then press in here. And then it, what? Oh, that's right, you have to stick your key in. Oh my gosh, I'm out of frame again. Okay, so, once again, you lift the cover, and then you press it. And then, this yellow thing activates. You stick your key in here, and then you shove it in all the way, and then it activates, and then you close the cover. Oh, and that's cool. It has grooves on here. Please focus. Okay, yeah, it's not gonna focus, so I have to put it back in manual focus, and then, okay, yeah. So it has grooves right here. Then there's grooves on the bottom, and you put your key in there. So I'm gonna try that right now. I'm really excited right now because it doesn't sound like I'm excited, but I'm really excited because I've never seen or held a Callpoint before. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm not sure. Let me read the instructions. if this is addressable, I'm gonna be kinda disappointed because this one's actually awesome and really cool, and yeah, let me just read the instructions really quick. Yeah, I'm gonna try wire this because I'm not sure if this is conventional or not. Cause this one, if it is conventional, I'm gonna wire it because it's really cool. Either way, I'm gonna try wire it because this is an awesome alarm. So first, I'm gonna skip to the part where I wire it. So yeah, let me cut to that. Okay, and I got the green alarm wired up to the system sensor L series. I'm not sure what tone I put it on. So let's just press here like it says. So press here. Here's our key. Okay, so that was the green one. So let's try the break glass one next. Okay, so I set up the glass one, and now we only have one try. So let's do it. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so it broke. I was kind of scared because I thought I was gonna like cut my finger because I only got this for $4 and I didn't know if it was like what is it called, like laminated glass or whatever. But yeah, I'm safe. So yeah, now okay, I have to do this real quick because I have to go. And also yeah, also I put up my speaker strobe, well, only the strobe because the siren was getting annoying. So yeah, you just lift this and press, and the LED turns on, and then it flashes. And then to reset it, you just stick your key in and then press it. So these were the Callpoint and like my Callpoint unboxing, and I hope you liked it, and bye.